Hey yo, welcome back to my DMST channel, my DS Study Tech. So today, new video. So one of you guys asked me a comment just down below, um, how to do this thing, right? Not this one, don't worry, this thing. So okay, this thing. So how can I do like the those things? So I'm gonna show you on this video. So before that, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comments down below if you want more video. So okay, say, oh, how do I do the animation around the camera? So I don't know really what's he meant by that, but I understand. He DM me, then he show me what he want to. So today we're just gonna respond to his comments. So if you wanna be in the next video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment what you wanna see the next, right? So let's go. So guys, let's go. So BK wants this thing on OBS. So let's go open OBS. Make sure to go like my video, my last video, guys. Just the link here on your screen. So let's open OBS. So there you go, guys. We just open OBS right now. So the first step we're going to do it not on OBS, of course. It's on on Canva. So make sure to download Canva. If you don't have access to Canva, just make sure to I don't know it's on web, so you can find it, right? So create your account on Canva and all this stuff, then you will have a page like this, right? So when you come to Canva, say create design, and then say YouTube thumbnails. I don't know how to pronounce it, but okay, I don't care. And then the next thing you can do is here. So we're just gonna look at which designing we need. As you can see, if you say cadre, that's in French, and then those elements, right? So I can see here there's a beautiful cadre, but I think it's you have to pay for it, and we don't want that, right? So I know exactly what we can do to fix the thing, right? So just go on your Safari, Google, whatever, your browser, and then say cadre. So you can say cadre bleu, like you can say like as color you want, right? If you just say cadre and then you say red, for example, and I just say image. There you go, guys. Donc, for my part, I love the blue because blue is my favorite color. So I just say blue, and then I wanna make sure that it's 1080 by 9020, right? So this one it looks good. I'm just gonna take it. So I'm just copying the image, just here, copy the image, then Control V, then the image will pop up here. If I do this, I do a right click on my mouse, right click, and then set as a background. There we go, guys. And you know, like I don't really like this one, so I'm gonna go detach background, then I'm gonna place it as I want, right? So if you wanna place it as you want, just do whatever you want, guys. It's really I want something like this, right, guys? um like a TV show, you feel me? So this is what I want, right? So what's the next step? um okay, so the next step is just come here, add 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 just okay, happy birthday. I'm just gonna say um DMS DMST, so DM study tech, DMST. Then here I'm just gonna say DM study study stream. That's the channel name. We all know that, right, guys? If you don't know, make sure to look at the channel name. So I just DM study tech. I'm just gonna place it here. Just here. See, I don't like those things, right? Those background I'm seeing right now. So how can I take it off? Go on Google, on your browser one more time. Say remove the bg, right? And then you click enter, and it's gonna bring you on this page. And then you say, you just go to your thing and then say copy, right click, copy image, and then say control V one more time, and it's gonna take off the background of your image, right? Because if you wanna do it on Canva, it will give you like you have to pay for it. Then right click, copy, or you can download it, find it in your file already. So in my part, see guys, you just do Ctrl V and then beam, the background is take it off, right? It's off the background. I'm just gonna place it here actually, something like this, all right? And then let's see, I love this one, right? Add new. I'm gonna take this one. Sorry for you guys, so I mean sorry for them. Guys, it doesn't even have to show. Okay, let's see if I can change it here. See guys, I can even copy it, like what's up. Okay, let's say copy, paste, color blue. Okay guys, this is actually amazing. I really like this, right? I'm just gonna make it like a little bit bigger, just like this, right guys? That's amazing. I love that. If you wanna upload a like an image you like, right? It's just here. Go to upload, then press here, upload file, and then you will access to your image. Then you can click on something and then open, then the image will be uploaded, right? So here I want to change my DM. I'm just gonna block this, so I will make sure that I don't click on it. Then I can change here something like this. Then I can add an image, right? Okay guys, I'm gonna show you the social media on my next video, and we're gonna use the same format, right? So let's which image I can add actually? Actually I don't know guys. Okay, I'm gonna add the music one though. I'm just gonna put this on here. Okay guys, it doesn't matter. So if you're done doing this, you're 100% sure that your thing is ready, because I don't know how to call it. Okay, I'm gonna call it as BK said. He said how do you do? I'm gonna call it animation with camera. Let's call it like that, right? So we're gonna click on share, then download, then here make sure it's on PNG, it's really important. Then we download the image, then wait, then our image is already, right? So as you can see guys, it's white and we don't want anything, right? So go again on Safari or Google, say remove BG, then here you can close Canva this time. You can close Canva. Then I will upload my file that I just did. Then upload. Then let's see what it's gonna do. See guys, it took off all the thing, right? So I'm just gonna click on the image or click download, then my image, it's download, right? As you can see, it's black, and that's exactly what I want, right? So let's go to OBS now. Just make sure that I'm recording. Yeah, we're recording. So let's go to OBS. Then I'm pretty sure you guys know how to say add image, beam, and then I'm gonna say OBS camera camera support, right guys? Camera support. I'm gonna say okay, then browser if you want to upload, so you click OK and then click browser and download our image here. Then it's black, right? So if you want to add something, to click on the plus here, then we show you this one, and then you click image if you want to add this one, right guys? So I'm just gonna place it here and then just do something like this, right? And then the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna add a camera if you have a camera. So I'm pretty sure you will have a camera because we have to do it with the camera. So you see like camera, we're gonna do it with the camera to make it like really good. So camera, okay. Okay guys, I'm recording with the camera, so I'm just gonna turn off my camera here. Then we can offline camera. All right, transition. Okay, there you go. Camera. Okay guys, I'm just gonna delete the camera here because I'm using it. So I'm gonna stop the recording, close the Streamlab, then use my camera on OBS. We choose, if you want your camera to be big, just fit to the screen. Then see guys, it's no A. If you go to your camera, you double click on your camera, you will have this page, and then have this one resolution FPS type. So it's on device default, so we're gonna make a customer. Then here resolution, we're just gonna choose what we want, right? So mine is this resolution. So there we go guys, it's amazing, right? So I can make it as I want, right? So I can say 180. No, my camera it's this resolution, so I can't really change it, right? So I'm gonna make it as okay, match resolution. It really doesn't matter. Then just click OK. Then beam bam boom. Then guys, we're just gonna make this one, and then I'm gonna make it here, something like this. I want the camera something like this, right guys? So this is what I want, right? OBS support, I'm gonna make it a little bit like this. Okay, right click, group, we, that's my sister, she just pissed me off, bro. Okay, there you go. So we're gonna modify all this, right? Up. And then put the thing on the group. No, I want you to be something like this, right? There we go. So making the group and all. Okay, then modify the guys, the OBS is so tricky guys if you don't pay attention. So make sure that your camera is really set up good, right? Alright, so guys, close it, then just click here. There you go, I can move all of it. So guys, press your control, then press here. If you have like a Windows, like we want to crop it, right? So Alt, if you want to crop something, it's Alt on OBS, Alt, and then you maintain your OBS just like this. I want it to be like this actually. Okay, something like this, right guys? So we have our camera and we have our thing, right guys? So this is amazing. I'm just gonna close it, but before that I'm just gonna place it here. So place it anywhere you want, guys. So there, I'm just gonna place it here. Then the thing I can do to show you that it really works so perfectly, I'm just gonna share a window, make sure that it's all good, make the camera first. There you go. Then you can play with that. Alright guys, up. Okay, let's say it's not really, let's display. Alright, make sure the camera is all first. So there guys, this is amazing, right? Go to your YouTube channel and see you there for the next video, right? See you there for your social media, how to add thing, and then how to be professional. I'm gonna do it on Streamlab because it's the same thing. So I guess this video will help you so much. So thank you so much, and have a great day, guys. Have a great day.